All right, so here we want to find this sum. This is the sum I equals 1 to 7. We have I plus 3 times I minus 6. Okay, so first thing we should do here is multiply this out, right? We'll FOIL out the two terms here. We get I squared minus 3I minus 18. Right? We also know that there's a property. We can actually split this up, right, into each of the three terms. So the sum of I equals 1 to 7 of I squared minus 3 times the sum of I equals 1 to 7 of I minus the sum I equals 1 to 7 of 18. And this is good because there's well-known formulas for I squared and I, right? The sum of I equals 1 to n of I squared, right? This one is n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1, all of that over 6. And the sum of I equals 1 to n of I is n times n plus 1 over 2. Remember, this is just 18 added by itself 7 times, so it's basically just 18 times 7, right? So in this case, we see that n is equal to 1, so once we plug these guys in, right, we should be able to get our answer. So the first term here, right, we're just going to plug in 7 into the formula. 7 times 8 times 15 over 2. Minus, now we got 3 times 7 times 8 over 2. And in this case, it's just 18 times 7 here, right? Okay, so what happens? Now be careful with the signs, right? Remember, these are subtraction symbols here, right? So we'll calculate these. This is just 140, right? This here is going to give us 84 minus 126, so we get negative 70 as the final answer for this sum.